mind, I just can't seem to find a reason to believe that I can break free. Cause you see, I have been down for so long, feel like the hope is gone. But as I lift my hands, I understand that I should praise you through my soul.
Watch this. Clap your hands, clap your, come on, clap your hands up. Everybody, come on, and let me.
I never knew I could be so happy. I never knew I'd be so secure.
Because of your love, Jesus.
Because of your love. That's my new name.
Here we go.
It's gonna be another breath and I seen another raindrop trickle on all the leaves. I felt a little pain, but I felt a lot of joy. So I know to see and to breathe and to feel only means one thing. Oh, I still believe, cause I know I fight. And I know, say I relax on the hope of a good time, hope of a good time. Cause it's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and not feel hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am. 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 I'm blessed with another chance, I am. Blessed with another chance, I am. And every day, always on my head high, and my chest high, but that don't mean I don't cry. Feeling like la 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 la. My enemies, I'ma say bye bye. Energy feeling like I can't fly. I know he loves me, that's why. So I still believe, cause I know I got life, so I can't fight. And I know, say I relax on the hope of a good time, hope of a good time. It's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and I feel hope.
Morning. It's 5 o'clock in the morning and I am prepping for the exam that I failed. I didn't really sleep last night, so because of all the anxiety, I'm writing next week, so I'm prepping for the exam so I don't fail again. I'm really feeling down and my mental state is just in the gutter, but yeah, hopefully I can document this process and you guys can see that school is not for the faint-hearted and you can get up and try again, even though now you are doubting yourself. Enjoy.
Like the hope is gone, but as I lift my hands, I understand that I should praise you through my circumstance. So I can dance. Just wanna praise you. Just wanna praise you. I can lift my hands. Whoa. Everything that could go wrong, all went wrong at one time. So much pressure fell on me. I thought I was gonna lose my mind. Lord, I know you wanna see if I will hold on through these trials, but I need you to lift this load, cause I can't take it no more. So I can dance. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah. Whoa, yeah. I'm gonna praise you. Been through the fire and the rain, bound in every kind of way, but God has broken every chain, so let me go
Good morning, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hey! If you're an oldie or a VIP, thank you so much, Beastie. Today, I'm on leave. I took leave because my sub exam is tomorrow, so I had to get up at 5. I had to get up at 5. I had to go through post papers. Had breakfast. Now I'm gonna go into the shower. After I shower, I'm gonna books again. And yeah, life of a overstimulated, stressed out human being. I feel like I've lost myself in school. I've lost myself in the admin of life. But I think after this year, I'll get back my spark, because yeah, man, like I'm not taking care of myself the way I should be. And what am I supposed to do? Like, I'm working towards a life that I want. So in the premise of me working towards the life that I want, I'm gonna have to do things that I don't like. I'm gonna have to sacrifice pieces of me that I need, but for this period of time, I'm gonna have to take a back burner. And I think I just need to accept it. And then next year, after I've done everything, I can get back into really taking care of myself. Like, really just putting myself as a priority. Because as much as I'm working towards a life that I deserve, if I'm not taking care of myself, I won't get to that life, because I only have one body, I only have one mind, I only have one spirit. So it really is difficult for me to navigate everything. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, like, I am fighting for my life. I am literally fighting for my life. I work really for, and I get up really early. So I get up like at 20 to 5, and then I'm back at my place at about like 6:30, 6:10, just before 6:30, like 6:45. So like, by the time I get home, sometimes I need to cook. Sometimes if I'm not cooking, I'm not washing the dishes, doing washing during the week. And then on the weekend, if you're not doing grocery shopping, I'm busy attending classes. So my life is full, and it's full because I want a nice life. And me getting that nice life, I'm gonna have to baraka. So yeah, man, guys, this is gonna be the last clip of the vlog. And then I will post it, because I've got bits and pieces of everything. I feel like it's long enough. I'm gonna try and make my vlogs now like long enough, so you guys can get to enjoy it and actually see my personality. Because wow, I don't feel like I'm talking enough on this app. And the way I'm so scared of TikTok, I'm literally so scared of TikTok. I'm scared of like going viral, and then the people at my work, they all know about it, and then they're all talking about it. Like, I've become such a a person that like cares what people think. I think especially in the workplace, I'm one of those people. I think because also I'm not established in my role, so I have to keep up perceptions of what I say, how I say it, when I say it. I can't just have controversial opinions about everything. I can have it at home, between me and my partner, but I can't have it like on the internet. I value how people perceive me in that way, because I'm still in the working space. I don't have that power that to say no, they're gonna take me regardless of what I say. I'm not there. I'm not there. So yeah. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you've gotten to this part of the vlog, hip hip hooray! Catch you on the next one. It's only gonna get better and better, darling. It is only gonna get better from here. Stick with me. I'll make you famous, babes. I will make you famous. Bye.